Just a quick video to show you some of my tomatoes, cucumbers, and so on that I reap from my garden during this week. And I just want to show you. Oh, pepper fell. This is a pepper. I think it's called bomb pepper of some kind or something. Anyway, it grows upside down. Here is a tree I have planted in a pot. Look at that. The peppers are growing upside down. Oops, I broke something. It's growing upside down. You know, that's how all of them grow. Straight up, actually, I should say, not upside down. Well, it's upside down because most things, you know, most tomatoes and stuff hang down. But these are straight up. See, this one is almost ripe. They're getting ripe. But I thought they were more like sweet pepper, but they're not. It's actually a little hot, mild hot. You know, the other day I tasted it. I generally don't even use them, but now I'll put it in something that I don't need a lot of hot pepper. And here are my tomatoes. I got this little tray here with tomatoes, the half green ones. When I pick them, I put them at the bottom, and these I put at the top. But it's a lot, and I am planning on bottling some of them. Here's a ball jar I have here. This is a larger size. I have another small one, but I'm going to use these large ones. And I did them last year, and we just finished using what we had cured inside of these bottles. But I never did the video. So I'm going to do a video maybe tomorrow. It's not going to be live, but it's not going to be a live video, but I'll show you the process. It's going to be step by step because it's a process, so we can't do it live. And look at this. Look at this. I found it hanging under the tree, and every day I go out there and I look, and I never noticed that one was as big as this until it's ripe. So what I'm going to do is cut this out, cut this open, and put the seeds to dry. Maybe I'll show you when I'm doing that. Maybe I'll do a short video on that, but I'm going to cut this, open it up, put them to dry, so I'll have more next year like I did last year, because all of these are from what I had last year. And look at them. I don't like when they get too big. This one is actually too big. I took it out the fridge to it was in the fridge. I took it out to cut it up, but then I found this one. And this one is also good. So that's just a quick little video to show you what's going on in what I am doing. Well, I did a backyard garden tour before this the last video. So you can look back if you want to see what's going on in the garden. And you see, I just grow these in these little pots. Look at that. You see? It's like just a little longer than my big finger. You can grow anything in a pot if you want. If you don't have large space, which most of us in New York really don't have large space unless you have a big yard. But you can grow them in pots. That's just a little. I might as well break this off because, yeah. So, just a little quick video. Before this one I uploaded a video showing how I make ackee and codfish. So thanks for watching my videos. Enjoy my videos, and if there's anything you want to know, please let me know. This fall I plan to do a lot more videos. I want to show you how I cure my own ham. That's one thing I really want to do, and you know, other things. So keep watching, and please remember to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. This is Claire from Claire's Culinary Adventures. Over and out.